Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will do the explanation of the poem The Heart of the Tree. It is written by poet Henry Cuellar Burner. Stanza 1. What does he plant? Who plants a tree? He plants a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free, the shaft of beauty towering high. He plants a home to heaven and eye, for song and mother croon of bird, in hushed and happy twilight heard, the terrible of heaven's harmony. These things he plant who plants a tree. According to the poet, planting a tree means more than what he mean by plantation as an activity. The poet goes on explaining the question, would he plant who plants a tree? According to him, the one who plants a tree plants a friend of sun and sky. The tree is suggested as a friend of sun and sky because one day it will grow tall and appear to reach the sky. The tree is a friend of sun as the sun is dependent upon the sunlight to carry out the processes of photosynthesis to make its own food. Similarly, the tree is a friend of sky because it takes in carbon dioxide from the air and releases oxygen and therefore purifies the air. Also, the transpiration from trees is responsible for the cloud formation in the sky and thus rain. The tree is again compared to the flag of breezes. Like a flag flutters in the breeze, the leaves of the trees flutters in the same way and provide soothing cool breeze to us. The tree grows high with its long narrow stem and looks like a beautiful tower. It appears that the trees have made a home closer to heaven. The man plants the tree plants it for the mother bird who sings to her young ones happily with a soft and gentle voice in the twilight. The bird's high-pitched tone adds to the pleasant harmony of the universe. Stanza 2. What does he plant? Who plants a tree? He plants cool shade and tender rain, and seeds and buds of days to be, and years that fade and flush again. He plants the glory of plain. He plants the forest's heritage, the harvest of a coming age, the joy that unborn eyes shall see. These things he plants who plants a tree. In the second stanza, the poet asks the same question again. He wants to suggest you the more benefits of planting a tree. The plant in course of time will grow tall and provide cool shade and cause tender rain. It will bear seeds and buds for the future progeny. After many years, the old tree will wither away and these seeds will grow into new trees and then into a dense forest. Since forests are our natural heritage, the one who plants trees helps in conserving natural heritage. This is symbolic process of birth, death and regeneration. In this way, trees makes the plain beautiful. The forest is inherited by the man who plants a tree. It will provide crops to the future generation. Surely the upcoming generations will reap all the benefits of the trees that are being planted now. Stanza 3. What does he plant? Who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood, in love of home and loyalty, and fast thought of severe good. His blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of our land, in nation's growth from sea to sea, stays in his hand who plants a tree. The poet asks the same question for the third time to create some more interest in the readers, but in the final stanza he becomes more philosophical. According to him, the man who plants a tree plants the tree with sense of loyalty. He loves his family and the entire universe. He is concerned about the future of the earth. He plants trees so that the human beings can get food from the plant saps and leaves. Besides, he can get even the wood for his use. Even the poet thinks about man who plants a tree. A tree has been described as a god-like. By planting tree, he showers his blessings on the neighborhood. He holds the future progress of mankind in his hand. Our land will become barren without trees. The poet becomes more anxious and could see that the growth of the universe is possible only by planting trees. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.